Hey.
What's up, ma peep?
Nothing much, dude.
LOL.
What does that mean, dude?
Laugh out loud.
Okay, man. Hey, am I fat?
Yeah, why?
Wow.
Why you greeting, dude?
Well. You're a twig.
What did you just say about my firm body?
Skinny Malinky Long Legs Big Banana Feet went to the circus, couldn't find a seat when the actor started. Skinny Malinky farted, and that was the end of Skinny Malinky Long Legs Big Banana Feet.
Tubby would be chubby, you're that fat you fall through the toilet.
Gay, I love you so much I want to hump you.
I love you tha.
You wanna go to the beach?
No, it's my ointment night with mum, sorry.
Oh yeah, it's my milk night. See you tomorrow, bye boyfriend. Remember, I would catch a grenade for you.
You're always in my heart, that was so sweet. Let's go behind that dumpster and kiss.
Someone will see us.
Who cares, in a week we're running down the street naked together.
Okay, oh bye everyone.